Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to get rid of Xbox Game Bar in Windows 11. So firstly click on Start. Now here type PowerShell. Now open Windows PowerShell. So right click on it and run as administrator. It will ask permission, so click on yes. Now here guys you have to copy and paste this command line I will give in description. So copy and paste, then press enter. Now guys, once this process will complete, you have to close this PowerShell and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, after restart you can remove and you can get rid of Xbox Game Bar in your Windows 11. Thanks for watching and please comment this method work for you or not.